When it comes to mechanical keyboards, the Aula F75 comes in top spot in my personal opinion. Here's why I think you need this keyboard in your life. This keyboard combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, offering customizable RGB backlighting, responsive mechanical switches, and ergonomic layout to ensure maximum comfort during extended use. With its robust build quality and anti-ghosting capabilities, the Aula P75 ensures that every keystroke is registered accurately, giving you a competitive edge in any gaming. The dial at the top gives you different types of lighting effect, as you can see,